everyone, today is day second and we are in the Manipur. So now we are going to meet all the clubs those are participated in the Sevas ride and visiting a plantation site. So with me, Manipur riders are joining.
Hello, bro. I'm Nirmal Singh, Chief of Goodman Rider. Nice to meet you, this guy. And thanks for visiting here in Manipur. I think that we will meet someday. The moments come true today. Thank you, bye.
Thank you. Thanks.
Look this way. इसमें तो क्या बोलता है,
कौन सा फूड है ये? मैं भी पहली बार देख रहा हूँ।
हैया ही बोलता है ये मणिपुरी में, इंग्लिश में तो पता नहीं।
इसको देख लेते हैं। ये है ना पेड़। इसका जूस निकाल रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं?
जूस निकाल रहे हैं। ये जो मिर्ची और शुगर के पास मिला रहे हैं।
तोड़ के खाता है यहाँ में,
पूरा ग्रीनरी है यहाँ से।
गाँव में बैठ के ऐसे ही तोड़ के।
एकदम होम मेड फूड है,
इंस्टेंट।
स्पाइसी है देन।
वही है, वही जो
कैसा है?
नाइस।
It's a token of love for your support and hope this year we will do much better compared to.
Yeah.
So major. My name is William and I am from Thangtin Campus and I am the coordinator for this Moirang area.
We are here in the famous rice water, Sinha Valley. मणिपुर का फेमस ये क्या है?
ये फिश का इंटेस्टाइन और उसका सेब, कभी कभार उसका एग भी एक साथ आलू के साथ फ्राई।
तो इसमें फिश मिला हुआ है?
ये अलग है,
इसमें फिश मिला हुआ है।
और ये थोड़ा सा करवा होगा, गुड टेस्ट तो अच्छा है। और ये वेजिटेबल, मिक्स वेजिटेबल विद ड्राई फिश एंड चिली।
ये दाल है,
ये चटनी
है, वो भी दाल है।
और उसको
ये दाल है, चटनी।
ये सीता गेम बूम रो कहीं ये दाल
INA Memorial, Martyrs Memorial Complex, Manipur. You can able to see that. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
This place, this Egmont is the first. That's
Which
where
one?
INA hosted its first
फर्स्ट
strike.
लाइक इन
Something written Tefat Imtad Qurbani on this rock. This is the place where first our tricolor was hosted by the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Azad Hind Fauj was establishment. आज़ाद हिंद के शहीदों की यादगार का ये 8 जुलाई 1945 को नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने. So this is stone led by the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
This is the place where INA that is led by our Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose hosted. It's our first tricolor flag on the Indian shore. This is the place.
After reaching India.
After reaching India.
After
So
crossing
from
India.
here border is only nearby.
Actually, Azad Hind Force was this thing coming from Japan. They have crossed all over
Yeah,
up to
Singapore, Burma,
Burma,
India.
Singapore, and after that they entered India. And this was Manipur was the biggest depot of the Indian National Army. So they first this thing put the tricolor flag here for the first time in the regime of the British Empire. It was in 8 July 1945 as is written here. And this is a replica. It was unveiled by Srimati Indira Gandhi, First Lady Prime Minister of India after the independence.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, this is Loktak Lake, and it is the largest freshwater lake in the entire Northeast.
So what are the things are floating here?
Yeah.
The circle.
Fishing.
Huh? This is a pond.
No, yeah, it's like a boat, but it's not a ring guard. It's for fishing.
So they are doing a fishing there. So you are able to see that the circles. So it's a fish pond,
Yeah.
fish farm, and there is a boats are they are taking to that island,
Yeah.
for staying.
Yeah. It's also a habited island.
So
Karang.
this I read about on the Google and all the lot of things. These are the tourist places here to visit in the Manipur.
Yeah.
Behind me there is a national park and huts and all the things they are made by the farmers. They are doing a fishing and all the things, and it's a amazing place. And you can see the floating islands are there. So we are unable to fly the drone. Now we are going to the watchtower. It's around 4:30, but we are in the extreme east. This is the one thing is written: Har Jawan Desh Ki Shaan, Paltan Ki Shaan, Naam Namak Nishan. And this is the watchtower. We are on watchtower. Oh. Here Jacob sir is doing photography. Vikramjit.
What a place!
Yeah, it's amazing. View is seriously amazing. Awesome. पूरा आवाज कर रहा है ये डम डम लोहे का। यहाँ पे पहले आर्मी रहती थी, ये खाली हो गया। वॉन्टेड प्लेस है। This is the India last Royal Enfield service set.
Hi everybody, right now second day in Manipur. We have just reached Kaching district. We are right now in Kaching Motors. This is actually the last Royal Enfield showroom of India, bordering Myanmar. So we have just visited Moirang, Loktak Lake, and met some riders over there. I'm very thankful to Thangding Thumpers. They were very helpful today. and we will be meeting with some of our brothers from Kanglei Motors. They will be here very soon.
Front brake is not working because last 1 year bike is standing. So I'll show you what the part is gone. So this is the Thunderbird front brake. So it fixed down here. Today is Sunday, but they specially opened for us. They waited for us around 4 to 5 hours, and the entire team is here and they are doing very fast work.
स्पीडोमीटर का इशू था, मेरा बाइक का स्पीडोमीटर में इशू था, उसका फिक्स हो गया और लाइट नहीं चल रही, माइनर प्रॉब्लम्स था, फिक्स हो गया.
It's working fine. It is around something 1805 rupees.
बहुत टाइम मत करिए.
Light adjustment is going on.
Imphal was a big change, okay, when we are coming from outside.
Lots of changes.
Suddenly we come to, no, not that. I am coming to Imphal for the first time. We were coming from Nagaland. We crossed Kohima, all the mountains and all. Suddenly we come to a plain road straight. You know, then you know that you reach Imphal. It's a straight road, I think 10 kilometers or so it is straight.
रास्ता तो बहुत
अच्छा है.
But अंदर जाने सकते ना.
अंदर तो नहीं,
अंदर तो नहीं
कौन सा पार्ट
खुद टाइप से उड़ी करें काय
All the housing of my starter. Starter is not working. I'm changing all the housing this thing.
Okay, same thing is a Manjunath bhai.
Yeah.
Breaker is also changed. Okay. So how much?
4,700.
4,700 something.
ये सुनीता बात
जो कल दीमापुर में उसने कप्पर कौन चेंज किया था ना, वो थंडरबर्ड का क्लासिक में डाल दिया है, गड़बड़ है, तो इसलिए मेरा हैंडल का इश्यू है. तो अभी कल आके वो पूरा चेंज करना
What is the
दोबारा.
approximate cost, can you ask?
Okay. So Thunderbird का रख लेंगे.
थंडरबर्ड का पूरा कप्पर कौन डाल दिया हूँ, तो उसका निकाल के अब कल फिर से क्लासिक का डालना है.
नहीं, got it.
Rosenborg, I think.
So this is for the Save a Site plantation we did. So Northeast did a very fantastic job, and Vikramjit is our Northeast coordinator. So just be in touch with him, and the plantation drive we got an India Book of Record. So for that, our plan is that to visit all the places where the club or whoever they supported and participated. Not only the bikers, even the nature lovers, school, college, many people are supported. So we are trying as much as possible to meet all the people, even the cross boundaries as well.
And this year we have to put more plans. It is not one-time activity. It is for not for us. It's for our children. We are doing it. Okay. So in future, when you put a plan now, 30-40 years later, there will be a big tree here. That's what you have to see. So this year you have to put, next year you have to put, every year you have to put more than what you put last.
So I'm Naresh from Kaching. I'm from Kanglei Royal Club. We have planned more than 50 in the ground.
Thanks to the Royal Enfield immediate support.
Everyone please do here. Let's come.
Thanks for the recording a video. He's our cameraman.
Kanglei.
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 Kanglei Royal Club. Your name, bro?
Hotline Naurem.
Yeah. So
From Kanglei Royal Club.
yeah, thanks.